Hi, this is Mapinfo main window, and we have many window. From you can find the window from Home tab, then Windows tools of the window are available here. For example, Info window, Explorer window, Ruler window, etc. So if you click here, you can find the window here, and in this way you can find any of the window. So for example, this information window, but sometime we cannot find this window. Somehow it has gone missing. So what should we do at the time? We should go to the Home tab, then recovery window. If we click recovery window, the information tools or any other missing window will appear instantly.